Want to take Microsoft certification exams but worried about the cost? In this video, I'll show you how to use discount vouchers to save big money on exams like AZ 900, AZ 104, SC 900 and more. Microsoft exams are expensive, and beginners often get confused about which exams to take. Today, I'll break down the full certification roadmap and show you which discount vouchers you can use. First, let's look at Microsoft certification categories: Cloud, AZ Series, Security, SC Series, AI Series, Data, DP Series, Microsoft 365, MS Series. Here's the most popular career path: Cloud. Start with AZ 900, then AZ 104, AZ 305 Security. Start with SC 900, then SC 200, SC 100 AI. Start with AI 900, then AI 102 Data. Start with DP 900, then DP 203 Microsoft 365. Start with MS 900, then MS 102. Now, let's talk about discount vouchers. Official Microsoft exam vouchers can save you up to 50% on the exam fee. These vouchers can be used on exams like AZ 900, SC 900, AI 900 and more. You can redeem them while scheduling your exam on Microsoft's official exam portal. Tip: schedule your exam early because some slots fill fast. Not sure which exam is right for you? Beginners should start with fundamentals exams like AZ 900, SC 900, AI 900, DP 900, MS 900. System administrators can take AZ 104 or MD 102. Security enthusiasts should try SC 200 or SC 100. Developers and AI learners can go for AZ 204 or AI 102. My advice: always start from fundamentals exams. Follow the certification roadmap for your career path. Use practice tests and online resources to prepare, and don't forget to apply discount vouchers to save money. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join my Telegram for more updates on Microsoft exams and discount vouchers. Links are in the description below.